So my name is Ryndyl Basilan. So this is my video evidence of the Aplan 3B, Aplan 3C, and Aplan 3. This is my demo on how to demonstrate the navigation the waypoint. So created the route plan using the table and set the cross track limits, set the track speed limits, and select the normal scale. So we need to create a critical point for us to have a waypoint distance of around 3 nautical mile. I mean 0.5 nautical miles. So place the first point here, and then the distance of the second point is around 0.5 nautical miles. And the other point would be also so the distance would be also the 0.15 nautical miles. So this is my waypoint distance around 0.5 nautical miles. So you can see it here that this is the waypoint 0. So waypoint 1 and 2. So next thing to do is we need to track the priority contacts into using the radar ARPA. So we'll go into radar. So you can see it here, we're using 3 nautical miles, and we can change this into 1.5. Also we can change into 6. So we need to track the 1 and 2 priority targets. So first thing is we have the first target here, number 1. So we need to find number 2 target. So this is the second target here. So it's already monitored the validated plan. So also set off the track limits And we can also select the normal scale. And then so if you want to use the radar to determine the ship position, just click the radar. So this is our ship position. We are at a course around 28 degrees and radar around 35 degrees. Set up the ICDIX parameters and anti-grounding, also the safety depth and the depth contour. So we'll go back to the ICDIX and we're going to set up the we need to set up the anti-grounding for us to know the specific meters. So we can see it here, anti-grounding alerts. Set up the anti-grounding alerts, and after that we need to also set up the safety depth. We also need to change it into, let's say for example, 25 meters deep. Yes. And then we'll need also to set up the deep contour. Let's say for example also 40 meters deep. So it's already set. So track the first priority target on the radar ARPA or radar, using the radar. So we need to track the one object or one target, specific target, for us to know their position. So we can use 1.5 nautical miles by clicking the minus sign here for us to change the 1.5 nautical miles and wait for the transition of the radar. If you can see it, anything that show in the display, you can change it to the higher nautical miles or in a higher range. You can also change the rain, gain, sea, and the tune of the radar display. So you need to select target, a specific target. Let's say for example, if this is the target that we're going to select, we just need to click this one. So let's say for example, if this is the target one, and if the target lost, they will just alarm it to your display. So this is the details of the target that you selected or that you click. So a range around 2 nautical miles, and the bearing is 114 degrees and 9 minutes. So this is my demo on how to, or this is my evidence video of the Aplan 3C.